Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. Today I decided to do Zele's hair Paris because her birthday was Tuesday, so she was in school. I decided to give her a treat this Sunday morning because she'll be going to church and she'll share a cake with her friends, so I decided to make her look good. She's putting on her birthday dress right there. Stand. Here. She has not worn her shoes yet. I just placed her, Mama, put her dress on.
Make my shoe.
Wait, you wear it later. Okay, so it's not about her dress, it's her hair. So Paris, can you turn your hair for them to see? Yes, so I made her hair using some kinky hair. So if you're interested in knowing how I made Zele's hair, then stay tuned. Turn the front. Yes, so I'm beginning with Zele's hair by moisturizing it with some water because her hair is clean. I washed it the previous day, which was a Saturday, but I didn't do anything to her hair, so it's dry. I can't manipulate her hair while it's dry, so I'm just applying water on her hair right now so her hair will be soft and easy to work with, as you can see. Yeah, and after spraying some water, I'm just trying to massage it into her hair, and right now I'm using a detangling brush to brush up her hair in the bun where I want the hair to lay, trying to make sure everything is nice and smooth. The detangling brush, she doesn't like fixing her hair at all, so you can see her shaking. She's not patient at all when it comes to fixing her hair. So right now I'm going in with my argan oil eco styler gel. This is the first time I think I'm using eco styler gel on Zele's hair. I myself, I don't like gel because you're forced to wash your hair in a few days time, so I don't like that at all. But since it was her birthday, I wanted her hair to look smooth and nice, so I went in with the eco styler gel. I'm just applying it all around her edges, trying to make everything sleek and smooth with my hands. And after which I'm going to go in with a brush to pack everything up smoothly. And now I'm securing it with a hairband right there. It's not too tight because I don't want her to cry that is tight. Her scalp is so sensitive, and I don't do any strenuous or painful style on her hair, so she's not used to pain when it comes to her hairstyles. So right there I'll be securing her hair. First of all, I'll twist all the remaining part that is there up, and after twisting it, I'm going to secure it because I want her ends to be protected. And later on I'm going to go in with the attachment that I made for her. It's the same way I did my own faux attachment using Marley hair, but since it was Zele and she's a baby, I did just a few strands for her using just a small hairband. So if you're interested in knowing how to achieve a similar one for yourself, I have it linked in the description bar where I made mine, so check that out to see how to achieve your own ponytail using Marley hair. A lot of you love that so much, and I love it as well. So I'm almost done with twisting her ends. I'm going to secure that with another hairband so it lays very flat to her own hair, so it will be easy to attach the full bun that I made for her. So right there, I'm securing the hair in the bun so her ends will be protected. Right there. And now I'll be grabbing the Marley hair that I made for her, attach it to her own hair. It's difficult to do her hair because she's not steady, so I'm going to make sure I secure the band twice so her ponytail doesn't fall off while she's playing in church, because they play a lot in church after church service when we are having snacks. So I don't want to disgrace her, so I'm going to secure it twice so her ponytail will not fall before I'm going to put it in the final donut bun that you all will see at the end of the video. She'll be looking so beautiful and nice, and there, nice and secured. And next I'm going to grab my, I don't know, it's a ponytail foam that makes it easier to get the donut round shaped hairstyle. There, I'm just attaching it to give it some stability. Right there, I'm opening the hair right now round, and I'll just go in from one side and I'll start tucking the hair while I go round. Very simple and easy. I didn't want anything complicated, so there you go. I'm just going round the bun and tucking the hair inside. If you need extra security, I went in with few bobby pins just to make sure everything is nice and secured, because she's a baby, like I said. She will play and will not remember that her hair is looking this good and a friend can pull it off. So I went in and used few bobby pins. Right there, I'm just checking if everything is in shape and if I like it. Once you're satisfied with the bun, you just go in and start pinning it down using your bobby pins. So that's what I'm doing right now. Excuse the way I'm looking. I like to prepare my kids first Sunday morning before, lastly I do prepare myself last before we head on to church. So I'm still in my night top and my hair is not made, but it was still early though. It was about 3 hours before church time, so I knew I had time to do my hair and shower and make up myself and all whatnot. Yeah, so here is the final look of her hair. So this is the back of her hair, and she was looking pretty and ready for church.